You turn that thing off. Can you turn that damn thing off?
Okay, Francis, okay.
What was that?
Officer Francis, Officer Francis.
That's better. Look, you guys, you want to get your butts in high gear. The warden and his date are trying to make the midnight show, and he gets very upset if he misses the cartoon.
Cartoon, huh? How's it going down there, Mr. Luthor?
Ready a minute, Otis.
He can fix it.
My, I'm about to become a prisoner, too. Of your charms, Warden.
Well, evening, warden. Evening, ma'am.
Right this way, lady.
I think you got nothing to worry about, warden.
Mr. Teschmacher.
Open the gates.
Open the door.
Poor Mr. Luthor. Mr. Luthor!
You're great. You're beautiful. I love you.
Is this a love scene or a getaway? Right.
It's a break. It's a break. It's a break!